afternoon. That way. Oh, this one's over here. I had to get this one. In this, in the city, there was actually one for cheaper. It was 130. You hear me?
134?
The combination right here. I saw it for 130. This one,
But how much is that?
225. But it's alright
Kol,
because
nana may brake shoe sa kuan, imong motor.
it's alright because we needed it.
Brake shoe ba?
Brake shoe ba?
Pwede ka kay brake shoe sa motor.
She
Ano?
needs it too.
Mga inani ba? Brake shoe sa brake.
Di man brake shoe na ako.
Awa din na brake shoe mo.
Kuan man kanang naang kasama to yung pang bitay-bitay da ba kanang naa brake pad. Mo kana abanti atras.
Malay ka kapalit.
Wala pa kayo pa ko'y kwarta.
Ah, sige nang kaway kwarta pero nabe na.
Ay, mo ko'y kwarta. Ilisanan mo kanang ako. Kanang abanti. Basta gani patinsuhin pa gani na ako.
Ah, makakapag-change oil.
Diri ro. Makakubrag pa tawid.
How much are we gonna price the XRM? You said 125, right? How much did we pay? 60 something? I'm gonna price it for one. Okay. And then
The receipt is right there, babe.
I'll put the price one. Like this. Alright, XRM 125. That one is what about the Baja?
How much is that?
I think it was like 60. Got another piece. From 65 to 120. The XRM is a Honda. 125 is an average price. So, for the Baja,
And then the TMX 145.
this one, there's no.
TMX 145.
The TMX.
Put the money right here.
It's right here. And this one we said 145.
That's, yeah, TMX. Wait, where's the tools right here? Oh,
That's all. It's all in the box.
what time is it? Budget lang. Why you're not using this one then?
11:30.
Budget lang. Why you're not using this one?
We have used it, babe.
What time is it?
1:30.
Oh, 1:30. It's already
I
1.
mean 11:30.
11:30.
And then this is a TMX. I think this is. I gotta think about that one. I don't remember.
Bay dula ikaw ya bay.
Don't remember the price.
Ah, hula na. Gagawin na ng jury. Tawa na dundon.
La throw these away. Esta puedo dejar ahí. I'm gonna use those. This is what we made this morning.